I love excellent tactics. Like, I'm not against tactics at all. I'm a huge believer, I spend a lot of money and time working on like UX tactics for the website. I spend a lot of money and time developing the best ads, really like we want to have the best thing that we can out there, but the tactics all have to be based on trust and they have to be based on strategy. And especially if you're talking anything in health, like you said, you have some clients in that. I mean, this is a very personal thing, right? This isn't like going and buying a shoe or something off the street. This is a connection to a person. So some of the ways you can even establish that is that even things like how fast your website loads, can they find the information they're looking for? Do you have cost or price on your website? Do you talk about how fast it is to get in to see their service? Does somebody get back to them right away? Is there good communication? All of those things, those are tactics, right? There's ways to do those and to really do a good job with that. And if you do that, your costs go down tremendously. The average website in Australia and America converts at about 2%. If you do some of the techniques I'm talking about, your website will usually convert closer to 4 to 5%. So for every dollar that you're spending to get people there, you're getting a customer 2 to 3 times as much.